The temperature was 69 degrees, the dew point was 64, and the relative humidity was 84%. The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Mobile County in southwestern Alabama until 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:51 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles southwest of Dauphin Island, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Alabama Port and Dauphin Island. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Central Standard Time for southwestern Alabama. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: Mobile, Alabama. This is NOAA Weather Radio from the Mobile, Pensacola National Weather Service. The current time is 6:53 p.m. Central Standard Time.